The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much money did I spend on these lipsticks? Hi, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name is Laura. I post videos once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, fashion, lifestyle, skincare, beauty, all that good stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you get updates whenever I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram and Twitter. I've got links for all my social media accounts, as well as my affiliate links and discount codes in the description box below. So please, I would really appreciate it if you could check those out down below. Today, I am going to be swatching 6 Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipsticks on my lips. I recently made a huge purchase on Beautylish. I bought predominantly Jeffree Star products. I've got another video where I just kind of talk about generally what I bought, so I'll link that somewhere around or in the description box. So please check that out as well. I'd really love if you could do that. Today I'm just going to be swatching the lipsticks on my lips. I didn't get into too much detail about those in my other video, so I figured I'd dedicate a video just for those so you can see what all of them look like on my lips. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, so my lips are going to be definitely in agony by the end of this. I'm glad I didn't order too many lipsticks because, yeah, that's going to be rough. And I probably should have ordered a Jeffree Star lip scrub because, yeah, my lips are, they're not super dry, but I have a feeling that they're going to be dry after this. Luckily, I'm not like, paid by this brand or anything, but Pond's makeup remover is actually the best thing ever. It's not, actually I should probably double check before I actually say anything. I don't think it's, I actually don't know what any of these mean. I don't think it's alcohol based, or at the very least, it doesn't feel like it has drying alcohols in it. I really like it. I always use this to remove my makeup. I usually use a combination of makeup wipes with this. I find it really helps take my makeup off better, and because the wipes already have their makeup remover on there, but those are really drying on my face. My face is already on the drier side, and sometimes the rubbing motions with a drying alcohol-based formula can irritate my skin, so I like to use this in addition. So anyways, I'm going to be using that to remove lipsticks in between each one that I try on. If you haven't seen my Beautylish video, I'll link it somewhere on screen or maybe in the description box below. Basically, I ordered a lot of Jeffree Star products from Beautylish. Really, I was waiting for the blood sugar palette to be back in stock, so I was sort of timing my order around that and just saving up for all the other stuff that I wanted to buy. I bought a bunch of lipsticks. I'll take them out, show you what they look like, and I'm really excited to use these. I'm planning on using these in future videos where I sort of start to experiment with more avant-garde makeup, because these lipsticks are eye safe, so you can actually use them as eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, all that, eyebrow pomade. You can do a lot with these, so I'm really excited to experiment with them. Alright, so I guess what I'll do, because I want to keep these pretty sanitized, since I do plan on primarily using them around my eyes, I'm just going to use some Q-tips to apply them, and hopefully that gives me a relatively clean application. So the first shade that we're going to look at is Breakfast at Tiffany's. Oh boy. Okay, I'm actually terrified because I never wear crazy colored lipstick. Like, the most crazy color I own is a purpley black one, which is like on the more daring side, I guess. But I don't wear like blue or green lipstick or anything like that. So this will be something new for me, but it'll be fun. I don't think these are scented. Oh, okay, this one sort of has like a root beer smell. Right, I think some of his lipsticks are scented and some of them aren't. Okay, so the next shade is Blow Pony. It's this gorgeous like lavender shade. This one I'm actually really excited to use as eyeliner, maybe mascara. I think that'd be really cool. Oh, this is actually a really pretty color. Not the most wearable. Definitely something that you'd see for festival makeup, that's for sure. I love this color. Yeah, I think this could actually look kind of cool with, I'm trying to think, like black lipstick or like that purpley black one that I have, and then this in the center to create an ombre effect. I think that'd be really cool. Again, as eyeshadow, eyeliner, as mascara, you know, put it everywhere, colored freckles, like everything. I love this color. And it looks really cute with my wig. So next we have Diamond. This one is from the Family Star collection. It's a collaboration that he did with his boyfriend Nathan and their dogs. So the shade is named after one of his dogs. I also have the shade Nathan, which is named after his boyfriend. That one is like a neutral, like an orangey neutral. I don't know how else to, like a peachy neutral. I don't know how else to describe it, but I love it. I wear it like most days. It's a really wearable neutral shade. It works really well for work. This one really drew my eye when the collection launched. I think this one would also be a really great eyeliner shade. I saw some really great looks on the collection launch. So this one's like a periwinkle blue. It's like one of my favorite shades of all time. Like just in general, this color has always been one of my favorites. So this one looks similar to Blow Pony, but Blow Pony is a bit more purple. This one's a bit more blue based. I think this one mixed with Blow Pony could do some really cool like custom shades. Maybe like with a little bit of like a darker color mixed in too, you could get some really interesting, unique colors. We have 3 more shades left. Okay, so the next one is Drug Lord. This one I've been really excited about. I'm not planning on ever using this as actual lipstick, with the exception of right now while I'm swatching. I plan to only use this pretty much as eyeliner and mascara. Maybe I might try it as like a white base for some more like glitter or like more temperamental type eye pigments. I'm like super not into white lipstick. Oh boy, this is actually really difficult to do with a Q-tip. I feel like the oil from the makeup remover that I use is also making it harder for the lipstick to actually stay on. Oh boy, this looks like a mess. The thing about these bold lipsticks, and not just like the crazy colors, like literally red lipstick, any dark lipstick, you can see where you missed. And normally I can pull off bold colors, but I am not loving the way this one looks. I think this will be better suited for eyeliner, that's for sure. The next shade that I'm going to use is Calabasas. So it's a dark, I mean it's not super dark actually, but it's dark in comparison to the other nude that I've got. So it's like a pinky red nude shade. It sort of reminds me of Candy K from Kylie Cosmetics. These ones I am going to be using as lipstick, so I'll just apply it normally. My mom is obsessed with these red, pinky red nudes, so I bought this one and another one, and we're just going to kind of share them. Oh, that is like the perfect nude. Stunning. It sort of reminds me, there's this Revlon lip balm that I have, and it sort of reminds me of that. I've been trying to replicate that color for a while because those lip balms have been discontinued, and I was looking for something like a matte liquid lipstick. I think this is pretty darn close. This is so wearable. It almost reminds me of like a lighter version, like a lighter, pinkier version of Allison liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. That one's a bit more like reddish brown. It's a bit more like fall, and this is sort of like a spring equivalent of that color. Now that I see it on my lips, it doesn't really look like Candy K. It sort of looks a little more like, I think, Angel? Not 100% sure, but I really, really like this. I think it could be really flattering on a lot of different skin tones. It's pretty much like, I feel like it's a pretty universally flattering shade. So again, that one was Calabasas. So last but not least, I'm gonna put on Rose Madder. Let me just make sure that that's the last one. Yeah, Rose Madder. So that one's a similar shade to Calabasas, but definitely lighter and pinkier. I'll just show you side by side them for comparison. So, okay, they're like actually very similar. This one's Calabasas, this one's Rose Madder. And actually, now that I look at them side by side, Rose Madder actually looks a little bit darker. It looks like Calabasas is a bit more nude, whereas Rose Madder is a true pink. Both are pretty nude actually, but both really, really wearable, like everyday shades. Oh wow, this one also smells like root beer. Most of the other ones don't. It's interesting that Jeffree has certain shades that are scented and certain ones that aren't, but I mean, he runs his brand however he wants. Oh, this is stunning. I love this shade so much. Also super, super wearable, super flattering. Also like a perfect, perfect nude pink. It is pretty pinky actually, but super wearable. Oh my god. I'm like looking at myself in the viewfinder, like, and I also have a mirror here, like I'm just like, oh, it's so pretty. Alright, so that's all 6, and going out and just sort of being bold, or you know, you can wear these every day. I'm totally not judging and telling you how to live your life. Do whatever you want. But yeah, definitely let me know which color you guys like the best. Also be sure to check out my posts on my Instagram and probably Twitter as well. Again, links in the description box below. I'll be posting some pictures from this video, and I'll see you guys soon.